Exercise 3.5. Find the value of cos 2a. A lies in the first quadrant when cos a equal to 15/17. Here cos a value is given. From this I want to find the value of cos 2a. We have the formula cos 2a equal to 2 cos square a minus 1. So in this I want to substitute the value of cos a. So it becomes 2 into 15/17 the whole square minus 1. If you square this one, I got 225/289, and then take reciprocal for this, take simplification for this, so that I got 450 minus 289 divided by 289. If we subtract the numerator, I got 161/289. The second one, we had to find the value of cos 2a if sin a equal to 4/5. Cos 2a formula, the second formula for cos 2a is 1 minus 2 sin square a, the second formula. So in the place of sin a, I want to substitute the value 4/5. So cos 2a equal to 1 minus 2 into 4/5 the whole square. Here 4/5 the whole square can be written as 16/25. So 2 into 16 is 32. So 32/25 here. Then take LCM and simplify, so that we have 25 minus 32/25, which is equal to minus 7/25. The next one, we want to find the value of cos 2a for sin tan a equal to 16/63. For this tan a, I want to find the value of cos 2a. So the next formula for cos 2a in terms of tan equal to 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a, which is equal to, I want to substitute the value of tan a here. So 1 minus 16/63 the whole square divided by 1 plus 16/63 the whole square. Then squaring our numerator and denominator in the bracket, we got 1 minus 256 divided by 3969. The denominator also I got 1 plus 256 by 3969. Okay, and then so if you take LCM, 3969 minus 256 divided by 3969 at the numerator, and at the denominator the same thing with plus symbol we have there. Then we can cancel this 3969 and 3969, so that we got at the numerator as 3713, at the denominator as 4225. Okay, and then look at the second problem. Here, if theta is an acute angle, then find sin of pi minus 4 minus theta by 2 when sin theta equal to 1/25. Here it is given sin theta equal to 1/25. We want to find the value of sin of pi/4 minus theta by 2. Here from this sin theta, I want to find the value of cos theta. We know that trigonometry formula, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. From this I can get the value of cos theta equal to root of 1 minus sin square theta. Here in the place of sin theta, I can substitute the value 1/25. When I am squaring this, I can get 1/625. So in the square root, I got 1 minus 1/625. Taking LCM in this inside of this square root, I got 625 minus 1 by 625. For this 625, that square root is simply 25. At the numerator, if we subtract, we can get 624. This 624 can be written as 4 into 4 into 39. For this 2, 4, I can take 1 4 as square root. So that here we have 4 square root of 39 divided by 25. So this is the value of cos theta. And then I want to find the value of sin theta by 2. The sin theta by 2 is equal to root of 1 minus cos theta by 2. So here I can substitute the value of cos theta. Just now we found the value cos theta. So substitute here 1 minus 4 root 39 by 25 whole divided by 2. And then take LCM for this. It can be written as simplification of the numerator is 25 minus 4 root 39 divided by the 2 is here and this 25 is here. And then 2 into 25 becomes 50. So the value of sin theta by 2 equal to square root of 25 minus 4 root 39 divided by 50. And then I want to find the value of cos theta by 2. Here cos theta by 2 equal to root of 1 plus cos theta by 2. Sin theta by 2 is 1 minus cos theta by 2 and cos theta by 2 is 1 plus cos theta by 2. Here also I can substitute the value of cos theta here and then take LCM so that we can get the value as square root of 25 plus 4 root 39 divided by 50. Now we got the values of sin theta, cos theta, sin theta by 2 and cos theta by 2. But here in the problem we ask you to find sin of pi by 4 minus theta by 2. It is in the form of sin of a minus b. Sin of a minus b is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. So substitute the value for sin pi by 4, that means sin 45 degree. And then the value of cos theta by 2 is found already. And cos pi by 4 value you can substitute from this trigonometrical table. Here sin theta by 2 we found the value here. So we want to substitute all the values inside this. The value of sin pi by 4 is 1 by 2. Here it is a mistake there. So this is not root 2. This is simply 1 by 2 into cos theta by 2 minus cos pi by 4. Here also it is 1 by 2 only. It is no mistake here. Change this. So 1 by 2 sin theta by 2. From these two I can take 1 by 2 as common factor here. So that 1 by 2 cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2. Then I want to substitute the value of cos theta by 2 and sin theta by 2 here. And then from these two take root 50 as common factor. So I took this root 50 here and inside the bracket we have to keep as it is that things. And then here this 50 root 50 can be written as 25 into 2. For this 25 the square root is 5. So we can take 5 here. It becomes 2 into 5 root 2. So that the answer will be 10 root 2 into inside the bracket we have to keep as it is there. And then we want to find the value of cos pi by 4 plus theta by 2 when sin theta equal to 8 by 9. From this sin theta I want to find the value of cos theta. Cos theta equal to 1 minus root of 1 minus sin square. Here I want to substitute the value of sin theta. It becomes 1 minus 64 by 81. So I can take LCM for this. It can be written as 81 minus 64 divided by 81. Subtract this value, it can be as root 17 by the square root of 81 is 9 here. So the value of cos theta equal to root 17 by 9. And then I want to find the value of sin theta by 2. The sin theta by 2 formula is root of 1 minus cos theta by 2. Here the value of cos theta I can substitute here for 1 minus root 17 by 9 divided by 2. Then take LCM for the numerator. It change this as 9 minus square root of 17 divided by 9 into 2. And then square root of 9 minus root 17 by 18. So this is the value of sin theta by 2. Then I want to find the value of cos theta by 2. Cos theta by 2 equal to 1 root of 1 plus cos theta by 2. Here also I want to substitute the value of cos theta here as root 17 by 9. And then I want to take LCM and simplify everything there. After taking the LCM, it becomes square root of 9 plus root 17 by 9 into 2. So 9 2s are 18 here. At the numerator we have square root of 9 plus root 17. Keep as it is. We couldn't do anything there. So we couldn't simplify the keep as it is there. And then we want to find the value of cos of pi by 4 minus theta by 2. This in the form of cos of a minus b. Cos of a minus b equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Now I want to substitute all the values here. Cos pi by 4. Here 1 by 2 will be there. It's no mistake there. So 1 by 2 will be there. So 1 by 2 into cos theta by 2 minus 1 by 2 into sin theta by 2. Take 1 by 2 as common here. So cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2, and then substitute the value as it is there. So simply a mistake there. Cos pi by 4 and sin pi by 4 value is 1 by 2 only. It is not root 2. Okay. So change this in your notebook there. Next problem. If cos theta equal to 1 by 2 into a plus 1 by a, show that cos 3 theta equal to 1 by 2 into a cube plus 1 by a cube. Here cos theta is given. We want to find cos 3 theta value. Okay. So from this I want to find out this value. Let me see how to do here. First let me take this cos 3 theta. The formula for cos 3 theta is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Cos 3 theta equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Here the value of cos theta is given. So we have to substitute for this cos theta and cos theta. 4 into half into a plus 1 by a the whole cube. This cube is here. Put this cube here. And then 3 into, instead of this cos theta, we want to substitute this value here. And then here I have a plus b the whole cube. I want to expand this by the use of algebraic formula. So here cube is there. So we have to cube this 1 by 2. It becomes 1 by 8. So here a plus b the whole cube is there. So I have to cube this. A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square. By the use of this formula I expanded here. And then here I just remove the bracket like this. So it becomes minus 3 by 2 into a plus 1 by a. Then I can cancel this 4 and 8 here 2 times there. And then I want to remove these brackets also. So we want to multiply with each terms there. So it will become 1 by 2 a cube plus 1 by 2 a cube plus, here I can cancel 1a and a there. The simple thing is 3a is there and by 2. So 3a by 2, and even here also I can cancel one a and a. So here I have already 3 by a, and if you multiply with this 2 it will become 3 by 2a here. And then I have minus 3 by 2a and then minus 3 by 2a. And then I want to cancel those terms are cancelled. 3 by 2a and minus 3 by 2a can be cancelled here. These two terms will be cancelled and these two terms will be cancelled. The remaining things are here. So I can take half as the common factor. So the remaining thing is a cube plus 1 by a cube. So which is the required answer for cos 3a.